Good morning, welcome again. Today I am back with a new video, and before I start my video, happy Diwali to all my friends and subscribers, and those who have still not subscribed to my channel. I will request them to subscribe to my channel and to see more videos like this. Today I will be showing you how to install a cabin filter or a AC filter in a Suzuki Swift. So let's start the installation of this cabin filter. This I have procured from Amazon at 315 rupees. This is the filter. It's the MAN filter. uh, MAN is an original MAN is an original equipment of Maruti, and I have procured it from Amazon at 315 rupees. So this is the filter, and so let's install it in the car. Your AC filter is inside your car glove box, so you need to remove your glove box. How to remove your glove box? Look at the two locks here, and another one is there. These two locks, one is here and the other one is there. So let's remove it. How I will do it? I will remove it like this. So I have removed the glove box, and there is your AC filter lid. So simply open it by pressing the two locks. The other lock is here. There is the AC filter, and I will remove the old filter. Normally the AC filter should be removed every 2 years, or if you drive your car in a dusty condition, you should remove it more frequently. This filter is 2 years old, so I need to replace it. So here I will replace with the new filter. This is the new filter. The orientation will be like this. The arrow marks will be upward. So I am installing it. Just slide it inside the filter area, close the cover lid. So I have installed the cover lid, and now reinstall your glove box. So you are done. So that's it for today. So like this you can easily install your cabin or AC filter in a Suzuki Swift. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I hope you should definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and goodbye.